Join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
Oh yeah! Oh wow! Ha ha! Oh yeah! 8 little arms waving all around. Octopus swims without a sound in the ocean deep and wide, playing and hiding where it can hide. 1 little arm waves hello to a crab. 2 little arms give a friendly grab. 3 little arms spin a tiny twirl. 4 little arms swirl and whirl. 5 little arms tap a bead on a shell. 6 little arms do it oh so well. 7 little arms make a bubble trail. 8 little arms ride the ocean gale. Octopus dances under the sea, flipping and twirling so happily, hiding in rocks, peeking at fish, granting each coral reef a tiny wish, playing with turtles, racing the ray, laughing and spinning all through the day. Squirtle little ink if something's amiss. Octopus swims with a watery kiss. As the sun sets, colors gleam. Octopus settles in a cozy dream. Ha ha! Booyah! Moonlight! 8 little arms curl up tight. 6 little arms do it oh so well. 7 little arms make a bubble trail. 8 little arms ride the ocean gale. Octopus dances under the sea, flipping and twirling so happily, hiding in rocks, peeking at fish, granting each coral reef a tiny wish, playing with turtles, racing the ray, laughing and spinning all through the day. Squirt a little ink if something's amiss. Octopus swims with a watery kiss. As the sun sets, colors gleam. Octopus settles in a cozy dream. Ha ha! 8 little arms curl up tight. Good night, ocean.